Here we want to show you our 5 favorite Ben & Jerry's ice cream flavors. Here is the first one. We are going to try the Ben & Jerry's vanilla cake batter ice cream with pink frosting and strawberry swirls and cake pieces. The used dairy is from Happy Cows. The used sugar is Fair Trade certified. Let's open the pint. The taste is creamy with a strong strawberry and vanilla flavor. The swirl ice cream with pink frosting and strawberry is also including cake pieces. Now let's have a look at the second Ben & Jerry's flavor. This is the new Ben & Jerry's variety in which coffee, caramel, marshmallow, chocolate, with chunks and swirls have been mixed into a pint. This is a special edition which will probably only be available for a short time. One Sweet World helps to fund local projects of the Amado Antonio Foundation that supports human rights and the democratic culture. Let's open the pint. The taste is very creamy with a strong coffee note. The other ingredients are only slightly dominant and hard to taste, except for the big chocolate pieces and the caramel. Thanks. This is the sweet honeycomb edition. This sweet cream version, with honey caramel swirl and milk chocolate, is covered with honeycomb chunks. Ben & Jerry's is welcoming refugees, but unfortunately this seems just to be an empty marketing promise. No refugee can afford expensive ice cream. Now let's try this ice cream version. The ice cream is tasting creamy, but the chunks are not really crispy and taste a bit old. This is one of the most popular editions. Caramel Sutra is a soft caramel core, surrounded by chocolate and caramel ice cream, with chocolate chunks. Let's have a look inside. The caramel core is very sweet and the chocolate chunks are big. This flavor is one of the best we've tried. Here is the last flavor that we are going to try. This one is for all cookie fans. Vanilla ice cream with chocolate sandwich cookies, and chunks of chocolate chip cookie dough. Let's have a look inside. The cookie and ice cream mixture is very delicious and is our favorite flavor. Which Ben and Jerry's flavor is your favorite one?